This is going to be a 30-day morning yoga challenge with 10-minute morning yoga practices for a flexible body. So this is part one of the challenge, the flexible body. So these are 10-minute morning yoga classes suitable for all experience levels with no props required, and they're really slow flows. So it's not so much about strength building. It's not going to be very strenuous practices. They're more so focused on flexibility and just kind of opening up your body so that you can set the tone for the day ahead, set an intention for your day, and just feel really good in your body overall. Now, what's different about this challenge is that every day you're not only getting one video, you're getting two. So the first video is the flexible body 10-minute morning yoga class. And then you're also going to have a second video, which is going to be a flexible mind daily challenge. I was really thinking, what do I want to do to make this special, to make this creative, to make this different from just a regular yoga challenge, which I've already done in the past. I want to do something else. And what I came up with was this flexible mind. Yoga is amazing, okay? The physical practice of yoga, these poses, these classes, they are transformational. It can transform your body. It can help you heal emotionally and mentally. It's extremely powerful. But I think the greatest gift of yoga is not in its ability to make our bodies more flexible. I think the true gift is in its ability to open up our minds and to increase our mind's flexibility. This ability for us to be able to step out of our comfort zones and to grow as people. A large part of yoga is this self-transcendence of the mind, or self-awareness, mental discernment, and this realization of your highest self. So every day you're getting two videos, a 10-minute morning yoga class followed by a daily challenge. Each day will have a different theme, a different one-word intention. So our practice as well as the challenge will be themed around that one-word intention. For example, the word can be compassion or attune or heal, something like that. The challenges are going to be fairly simple. I tried to only pick challenges that don't take too much time, that don't require too much resources like money or things like that. I want them to be challenges that anyone can do from wherever in the world. And again, that don't take a lot of time, but they're really simple yet powerful ways to do something different, to step out of your comfort zone, to get a little bit vulnerable, and to really, again, take your practice off the mat and into the world. So you'll have two videos every day. I decided to split it up into the yoga practice and the daily challenge. For those of you who maybe are only interested in the daily morning classes, that's fine. Maybe some of you are only going to want to do the daily challenge. If you're really focusing on personal development and spiritual growth, that's a great opportunity as well. But they really do flow very well together. First we release tension from our physical bodies so that we can then become better at releasing tension mentally and emotionally.